trigonometry. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that studies relationships between the side and angle of triangle. The word trigonometry is a 16th century Latin derivative from the Greek word for triangle is trigonon and measure is metron.
Definition of carpentry. Carpentry is skilled trade and a craft in which the primary work performed is the cutting, shaping, and installing of building material during the construction of building, sheet, timber brick, concrete, formwork, and more. Carpentry traditionally worked with natural wood and did roadwork such as farming, but today many other materials are also used, and sometimes the final trade of cabinet making and furniture building are considered carpentry.
Application of trigonometry. There are following real-life applications of trigonometry. Firstly, in aviation or flight engineering, as we know that when a plane flying in the sky, then it is more affected by the wind, as wind plays an important role in aviation technology. Next, in video games, in gaming industry, a very popular video game known as Mario game, where the smoothly glide over the roadblocks and use a curved path or parabolic path to cross the obstacles.
The use of trigonometry on carpentry. Trigonometry is something that most people say they can do. The funny part is that it is very easy. Carpentry calls for trigonometry more than you might think. Every time a carpentry makes an angle cut, the measurement of angle or the adjoint line must be figured out. You could do this the slow and potentially the wrong way, or you could use trigonometry. Trigonometry can make it way easy to figure it out. For example, you could use trigonometric function for right triangle. Sine of the angle equal to opposite hypotenuse. Cosine of angle equal to adjacent hypotenuse. Tangent of angle equal to opposite adjacent. When trying to determine the length of the opposite, we can use the equation to get length of the opposite. When trying to determine the length of hypotenuse, we can use the Pythagorean theorem. If we need to calculate the measurement of the final angle, we must first calculate the angle at up to 180 degrees. Thank you.
Hi guys, my partners have been explained all about the trigonometry and the trigonometry in carpentry. Now I'm going to explain and present our project based on our topic, which is trigonometry in carpentry. Before I went more further, I want to introduce myself. My name is Yusof and my matrix number is 01 DKN 20F 2005. Without wasting any time, I'm going to explain about our project. Our project is a wooden miniature hexagon dining table set. Basically, Socha-Dua formula are commonly used in carpentry to get the right angle for carpentry joint. For example, meter joint or corner joint. In our project, we use those formula and methods to make corner joints to form a second shape for the table base and to make table legs. We also use it on chair legs to make the chair more balanced. Let's take a look at the final product.
Fantastic. Fantastic.
This miniature hexagon dining table in real size is a unique 6-side table that is sized for sitting arrangements of either 6 or 12 people. As you know, this table is commonly used for dining or used for coffee tables. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Naja. Now I want to discuss about conclusion of our project. Through this trigonometry project, I was able to extend my knowledge in more depth about trigonometry. I was also able to recognize the various rules and use of trigonometry in daily life. This knowledge of trigonometry can help to apply in daily life. For example, trigonometry is used to measure height of building and calculate its angle most smoothly. In fact, the use of trigonometry can be applied in the field of astronomy to calculate the distance between objects in space. I can conclude that without trigonometry, life will be much more difficult. Without going through the trouble, we can easily find the height of building. So I think that is a good invention by Hypercus, and thanks to this many architects need not go through the trouble to calculate unknown side of specific triangle. So it really helps in real life. It's very helpful in engineering career. In conclusion, we cannot deny that trigonometry gives us many benefits in their daily life. Okay, this is ending of our video project. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy.